How to book an appointment using a mobile device at Lux Skincare. Existing clients still need to click Sign Up Now if you've never logged into this system before. Once you're logged in, you're going to select the services that you want one at a time and click Next. To add more services, you'll go to your right-hand corner, click Services, and Add Service, selecting each additional service that you want to add to your appointment. Once you have selected all of the services that you want for your appointment, you can select a day and time and then click Find Openings. You'll click Find Openings, which will give you a list of available appointment times. Select the one that fits best. After this, you will follow the remaining prompts to complete the booking process.